Hi, Adam here with Hennepin Marine. I'm standing next to a 2022 1751 Viper Excel boat. This is kind of the hybrid version for Excel. This boat can be powered by either an outboard or a surface drive engine. Currently, we do not have an engine on the boat, so it could go either way. This boat is max horsepower at 60 horse, so we have a 60 on order for this boat, or we have a 40 Mud Buddy HDR on order for this boat as well. So it could go one way or the other, perform very well either way. If you look towards the front of the boat, this boat has a little bit harder taper. It's more of a modified V than some of their duck boats. And this is the only boat in the Excel line that has an actual longitudinal keel that runs the whole length of the boat. So you have a little more stability in rough water compared to some of the boats that are more of a surface drive and a shallow water boat. Going to have a little more stability for kind of your fishing / duck hunting boat. So it's kind of your all-purpose duck boat. It's shown in Max 4 camo. Comes with 2 temper seats with poles. It has 2 seat bases in the floor and 1 seat base up there in the deck. Got the fuel fill over here. It does come with the optional 11-gallon fuel tank that's in here, as you can see. Also comes with spud poles, a trolling motor mount and plug on the bow, and then also up there we have LED lights. So for you duck hunters that are running into the marsh or timber late at night or early in the morning, coming back or going to the duck blind, those LED lights definitely help illuminate the area. On the port side there we have, I'll jump in, kind of show you here. Do have a nice aerated live well. Rod box and gun storage here on the port side as well. Towards the rear, we've got another center storage for batteries, bilge pumps, all that good stuff. We have additional storage under here for shell bags and stuff that you just want to keep dry and out of the elements. Couple cup holders, got a shell tray over here on the starboard side. It is sitting on top of a painted steel Diamond City trailer. Does come with a spare tire, and that's pretty much it. We have one of these in stock. We've got a couple 1860s on order. Lead times on the Excel boats is getting out to 5 to 6 months. So if you're thinking about a duck boat for next season, think about it fairly soon, just because the lead times on all this stuff is getting out there quite a ways. So if we can help you in any way, you have any questions on the Excel boats, reach out to us at 815-925-7216. Thank you.